This is the shampoo that I'm using.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best.
Last night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night I dreamt of an end to poverty. All nations were growing, all nations stood strong. Smiles of understanding between one another. Politics and music belong to the people again. Equal rights spread amongst all shapes and colors. People were building a beautiful and stable home. Last night in my dream I saw humanity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future?
It kind of makes it easier for you to comb your hair after washing. Yeah. So remember, this is not treatment, guys. This is just conditioner. So for treatment today, I think I'll just kind of do a cocktail of different conditioner. Oh, sorry, what am I saying? Of different treatments. I think we'll do that later. I'll show you. But now I'm just washing. I'm just putting this, and then let's try and comb and see. You see, it kind of makes the combing easier. So your hair doesn't break while you're combing it. You're supposed actually to leave it for 3 minutes. It is making it easier for me to comb. For the treatments, I'll mix up these, all of them as leave-in treatment, because I want to get a cocktail of this treatment. So this is the black essential treatment, and then this is the tea tree, this is Movit, this is Mikala, and this is Venus. All of these treatments are leave-in treatment. So when you're doing a cocktail, you only do a cocktail of leave-in treatment. You do not combine leave-in na ile ingine ya kuingia kwa dryer. You get what I'm saying? So I just usually combine this leave-in treatment only and then apply on my hair. This has done me wonders and it has really helped me, especially during this period, so yeah, so this is what I usually do when I'm treating my hair at home. I think this is something that you can try. All the treatments, I got them from Dubois, and this was long time ago, so yeah, like I got them, like I think some of them are even 2 years old, almost expiring, so they're almost even finishing. Like this is almost finishing, yeah, they're almost kind of finishing, but and then I'll do that and then just apply to my hair, and that's it. So what I'll just do when I'm going to to the salon, I'll just like straighten my hair and plait it, and that will be it. I hope you are doing fantastic. So this is yet another video. I'm just here to introduce it. It's gonna be more of a maintenance vlog. So I'm headed out, and my first stop, or my first appointment is at Turi Nails Parlor. Look at your girl's nails. By the way, these are my natural nails and they have really grown, and thanks to Turi Nails. So I'm going there to get another set of overlays. So that's my first stop, and then I think I'll go to my hair appointment. So of course I'm taking you with me kama kawaida, why not? So this is gonna be more of a maintenance vlog, self-care, hair, nails, and all those things, including my self-care things that I use for shower routine and everything. I hope you're gonna enjoy and you're gonna love it. See you on my way there.
Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While the stuff's getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
y'all, how are you? So just managed to get home, and that's how my hair looks like from Beauty Space kama kawaida. That's how it looks. I am so tired, but that's how the hair looks like. And the nails, Turi nails do not play, manze. But can you believe it? Like, these are my natural nails. These are my super natural nails, man. I just did like an overlay on my natural nails, and I love it. I truly love this. It's so cute. It's so good. I now feel like I feel now good. At least the hair is done. And yeah, let me show you also what I have on my toes. But that's it. This color is really pretty. It's giving mature vibe, you know, mature vibe. And these are my natural nails. Yani, I never thought in a lifetime that I would excuse me, say that these are my natural nails. Yani, I never thought like I could have this long, but Turi nails will do that for you. But I love how they take care of your nails. I love how they really take care of you so well. So that's it. You can see this one is kind of short because ilikuwa imekatika, and I was like, I don't want to add any tip, so I want it to grow because najua it will grow, but it's not that short really. But yeah, that's how it looks. And by the way, I'm rocking the earrings from Dubois. I hope you've checked that video. If you haven't, can you just post this one and go back and watch the Dubois haul? I got these, by the way, cute earrings from Dubois. I hope you can see. Super cute, and I really love them. I do so much. Anyway, I'm so tired. I just wanted to come here and show what I did and then disappear. Also, I think on the next it's the self-care. I'll be showing you also how I take care of the video, and then ensure like this Spanish braid remains curly like this. I'll show you what I use, and all that will be in the skincare routine. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, of course it's in this video. Anyway, let me see you when you see me. Let me show you the my toes. Guys, I'm really tired. Let me show you my toes, and then yeah.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If
On to self-care part. This is the product that I kind of use regularly. I didn't want to film this entire video, so as you can see there, that's the exfoliating gloves that I got from Dubois. It will follow in that order of how you will see me showing the product. So after that, I'll go in with the soap, and then after the soap, I'll just go in and scrub my body really well and make sure that I'm really being gentle and all that. What follows, it will be just in that order, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then you can enjoy. But you bet be sure before I go, all these products that I got from Dubois are really good. So this is the shower gel that I also got from there, and so far I can't complain really much. But I don't know, I've been feeling a little bit itchy. I don't wanna say it's the product, but let me use a little bit more and then I can give you feedback. But this magic shaving powder is a must-have. Actually, it's really good. It did a good job. I love it. So enjoy.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me.
So guys, guys, for my aftercare products, I usually use these these Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow plus the cocoa body oil. It's really doing wonders for me, and I'm really loving it so far. So this is the one that I got from Dubois, and I love it. It was going for 1100 Kenyan shilling. If you haven't watched that video, I think this is the appropriate time for you to go and check it out. I don't want this video to be long, that's why I'm filming without my face showing. And then aftercare, I just wanted to show you it's still the same. That's why I kind of don't want to prolong this video. So this is the PM one, the facial moisturizing, and these are the AM one. I use it together with this CeraVe vitamin C serum, or sometimes with this one from Dr. Organic. And then for the care, for the deodorant and all that, I have this mist, Magnolia Charm, and I'm using this deodorant for now. Guys, I'm not much of I don't have multiple products and all that. Particularly my body is very sensitive, so I usually want to keep it very minimal and all that. So mostly you will find me, these are the kind products that I kind of use regularly and all that. But I do have when I'm doing a whole skincare and all that, I have other products that I use but not regularly every day. But these are my to-go every single day products. So I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy. I'm not gonna prolong this video. That's why I just wanted to kind of show you exactly what's in there, what's in my product, my self-care daily routine. Peace out.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your